Alright, so we got a review of a 2019 Explorer FX4 XLT Max. So the extended long base, beautiful grille, aftermarket tires and rims, fixed running board, blind spot monitoring, keyless entry, mirrors fold, got your gas cap right there, backup camera, backup sensors. Let me pop the trunk for you. Power liftgate, and the back seats are power, fold down or fold up. Very nice feature. Lots of room back there. You can tell that you have your Max badge right there, letting you know that's the extended long base. Plenty of room in the back. You got your air conditioning controls, regular plug, USBs, plenty of room. Here's a window sticker, in case I forget to mention anything. This one's got the 3.5 EcoBoost, 10-speed automatic. Very pretty SUV. FX4 package, so stiffened suspension, ready for off-road. Let's move on to the interior. You got memory seats, powerful mirrors. You got adaptive cruise control. Alright, you got heated seats, cool seats, push start. Perfect. You got navigation, Apple CarPlay. You got lane keeping on this vehicle, so the steering wheel will vibrate when you get out of lane, just to let you know. There's no more shift lever for the Expedition. You get a knob. You got your drop mode right here. Every time you rotate the knob, you get Eco Sport when you're towing, mod, sand, grass, and then you go back to normal. You get USBs, you get wireless charging on this vehicle. So you can put your phone right there and it will do wireless charging. Alright, so for an XLT model, I mean, you get a lot of very good options. Daytime running lights, you can open the tailgate right there. And these vehicles are 4x4, so you can do 4-wheel drive automatic, 4 high or low. And this vehicle comes with the connectivity package, so you can download an app. You have Wi-Fi, you can locate the vehicle, see where it's parked, remote start, lock it, unlock it. This vehicle has the off-road, so you see here the skid plates, so it's ready to go off-road. If you hit rocks or anything underneath, the vehicle will be fine. Gauge view. We'll play here. You got tire pressure, digital speedometer, idle hours, transmission temperature. A lot of technology into this vehicle. You can this vehicle comes with a cross traffic alert, pedestrian traffic alert. It will slam on the brakes if it detects any danger. And it has a trailer blind spot, So if you have a trailer, the blind spot will expand. All right. So that's gonna be it for the review of this 2019 Explorer. If you're interested in any Ford, please give me a call, 518-522-7780. Jamie, Planet Ford. All right. If you'd like to see any other vehicles featured on the channel, please let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you.